Westermans here with another welding positioner, which is a WHP50, which is 5,000 kilos. Machine weight itself is 2,660 kilos according to the spec. It has a pendant control. This machine has actually got 2 quadrants on, and based on normal machines like this, and when we've actually sold them in the past, these are being used on items of 7,000 kilos. So even though it's a 5-ton machine, like I say, it has been used for items up to 7,000 kilos in the past. Machines either being sold as fully serviced or as seen, without warranty or service with warranty. Pendant control, a little bit tatty but still fully functional. Table rotating at present. Variable speed on the table. Nice and smooth on that. Do a stop. See if we get going the right way. No, stop. Back the other way. You obviously tilt function on the table. As you can hear, the machine is very quiet and nice and smooth. I'll just come down here so we can measure the table. From stock we have other machines 5,000 kilos, well 50 kilos going upwards, up to 10,000 kilos, both new and used. All available from stock. Also chucks available for these and other equipment like rotators, column booms, 3-axis positioners, welding rotators, like I say, bending rolls, guillotines, welding equipment which are obviously MIG and TIG and sub-arc, plus plasma welding and much more. Now we're actually in the vertical position, I believe, on that there. Well, slightly. Obviously all these will go further over if needed. As you can see there, you can obviously tilt it back on itself. And then it will stop, obviously, on the pendant control when there. On the limit switch, sorry. Back the other way. More details available on Westermans.com. There you can see the 2 tilting gears. It gives it the extra power needed, rather than the conventional 5-ton which comes with 1 tilting gear.